Hey everyone, today we're covering something simple but super useful: how to quickly format your hard drive. Whether you're cleaning up an old drive or setting up a new one, I'll show you exactly how to do it. But what is quick format? Quick format is the fastest way to wipe a drive and start fresh. Think of it like you erasing a whiteboard. Quick, simple, and gets the job done for most situations. Now you might be thinking, why not just delete everything? Well, here's the thing. When you delete files, they're removed one by one. Windows keeps all the file system structure. Fragments of old files stay scattered across your drive. The drive keeps all its old settings and potential errors. But formatting, it's like hitting a reset button. It wipes the entire file system clean. It creates a fresh structure for the files. It removes system errors and corruption, much faster than deleting everything manually. Think of it like this. Deleting files is like taking books off a messy bookshelf one by one. Formatting is like getting a brand new bookshelf with fresh organization. Now, you might be wondering when you should format a drive. Well, common reasons to format drives include setting up a new drive, fixing drive errors and corruption, preparing for a fresh Windows install, or getting rid of stubborn viruses. Now, just before we finally start, quick heads up, formatting will remove access to all files on the drive. So before we begin, back up any files you want to keep, double check if you're formatting the right drive, and close any programs using that drive. Now, let's format. The first method is formatting through the File Explorer. Right-click your drive, select Format. Choose your setting. Keep the default allocation size, pick NTFS for most cases, and make sure Quick Format is checked. We'll talk about file system later on in this video. But if you're using Windows, just use NTFS. Now, click Start. Method 2 is using Disk Management. Right-click the Start menu, select Disk Management. Right-click your drive and choose Format. Apply the same settings. Now, what file system should I choose? Most Windows systems use NTFS. NTFS is the better option compared to other file systems, including FAT32 and exFAT. Now, if you're using other file systems, I recommend using FAT32 or exFAT. FAT32 is good for smaller drives you'll share between devices. exFAT is perfect for external drives over 4 GB. Now, quick note on security. Quick Format doesn't securely erase data. If you're selling your drive, disposing it, handling sensitive data, you'll want to use secure erase tools instead. But that's another topic for another video. So, subscribe and stay tuned.